Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to back our channel. Crochet lovers, I am fine and alert. I hope also fine, while in good condition, in health, perfect. Thanks love for every my things. I also pray for you Almighty so give you more healthy life, success life and happy life, and please you are also pray for me. I hope I will today share with you some one special and beautiful amazing crochet dishcloth designs, so please watch my videos. All the patterns very beautiful and stylish, amazing variety, beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection, very nice. Follow my channel and likes this, good comments and good section. You can see to plus images in this videos of crochet hand dishcloths, simple and beautiful the beaded. So friends, this shape is different, crochet beautiful dishcloths and party wear, college and office, foundation and casual. Your this dishcloth beautiful, transparent, beautiful and ideas of viewers. Now you have to go. See you then more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.